Hello guys, today we are going to see the project demonstration of an automatic electro hydraulic jack for four-wheelers. So this project have conceived difficulty in lifting the light vehicles. So the project has mainly concentrated on this difficulty, and hence a suitable electronic control unit has been designed such that the vehicles can be lifted from the floor land without application of any impact force. By pressing the button in the dashboard, the electronic control unit activates the hydraulic jack automatically. So let us see how this automatic electro hydraulic jack for four-wheeler will work. So the dashpad switch was activated at the time of any breakdown conditions. The control signal is given to the solenoid valve when the button is activated. At the same time, the motor is started, which is coupled with rotary hydraulic pump. So the oil is suctioned from the oil tank and compressed oil goes to the solenoid valve. The solenoid valve is activated at the time of dashpad button on. The compressed fluid, that is oil, goes to the hydraulic cylinder. The compressed oil passes the hydraulic cylinder piston and move forward. The ram is fixed at the end of the single acting hydraulic cylinder. The piston moves towards the ground and the ram is lifted the vehicle upwards. The solenoid valve is deactivated at the time of dashpad button get off. So the hydraulic cylinder fluid, that is oil, goes to the solenoid valve. Then the oil return back to the oil tank by the time of deactivating the solenoid valve. So the main advantages of this project is it requires simple maintenance cares. So for example, if you are at the time of breakdown condition, so if you want to install a hydraulic jack and we need to give some kind of pressure, then we have to lift the vehicles. But this concept will give the very simple and very effective maintenance. So second advantages is the moving part of the system are cooled by the oil itself. So this project does not require any cooling arrangements. And coming to the third point, the loaded lightweight vehicle can be easily. And coming to the next point, checking and cleaning are very easy because of the main parts are screwed. And the handling is very easy. Manual power not required. Repairing is easy. Replacement of part is easy. And the maximum length up to 1 feet, 1.5 feet, it can able to lift the vehicle from the ground level. So and also there are no oil wastages. So coming to the demonstration part, you can see in the demo. So a hydraulic motor was fixed with the hydraulic system, with the levers, with the operating levers, and we have set up a four-wheeler kind of model which is connected with four different wheels, and there is a pneumatic controller was connected with the hydraulic pistons. So for four different wheels, we interconnected with the pneumatic cylinders with oil connected hoses. So here you see the demonstration, so which is lifting the wheel and lifting down the another wheel, and you can see four different wheels lifting and lifting up and lifting down. So these are all the controllers, four different levers for four different hydraulic jacks. So whenever we are activating the hydraulic jacks, we should turn on the motor, which is to be shown in the demonstration. This is how the entire setup has been made. So there is a oil tanker we fixed over the model. Whenever we are activating the system, the oil will be compressed to the jack, and whenever the pneumatic cylinder is decompressed, the return oil will be going back and stored in the oil tank. You can see in the demonstration, we are lifting the wheel one by one. Actually, this project was developed by a mechanical engineering students for their final year project. So the technical guidance and support was given by our team. So if you require these type of projects, you can contact us or you can walk into our live support centers. We do projects for all departments, all engineering departments, especially mechanical, electronics and communication, EEE. So any type of projects required for your final year studies, you can contact us. Thanks for watching the video.